Hey guys, just your average ginger here. We're going to do a tutorial series basically on how to digitalize your DVD collection. If anyone's like me and you have a crap ton of DVDs, or you just simply want to digitalize your DVDs so you don't have to worry about scratching them or your kids messing them up or whatever the reason, this is the tutorial for you. And on future videos I will go through different ways to basically put them on the internet. Well, just one, using Plex server. One minor disclaimer here. So this is kind of a gray area. If you've ever watched an old video, it says you wouldn't steal a car, but you'd pirate a video or whatever. So if you distribute yours to a bunch of different people, or even worse, sell them, this is illegal. But if you're doing this to your own DVD collection and you own those videos, you're not going to be selling those DVDs or getting rid of them, and they're just going in a closet like me, then this is pretty much a gray area. So, it's pretty much fine. So the first thing you'll need to do, and I'll have this link in the description, is download something called MakeMKV. Now, you might have never heard of an MKV, but it's essentially just another format to play DVDs. There's MKV and MP4 are kind of the two options. I can go into another tutorial on how to make this into an MP4, but for our uses, MKV is fine. You can download, I think it's like TLC or TLV movie player to play these just naturally on your computer anyways. I will also have a link open for that. Let's see, yeah, VLC Media Player. I'll have the link to VLC Media Player and MakeMKV down in the description. Like always, like, comment, subscribe if you like this, if you're excited for the next videos. But anyways, here we go. So the first thing you need to do is get your DVD. So we are going to be using this Freaky Friday DVD that I have here. Let me go pop that in. So as you can see, when I open the disc tray, it shows up on MakeMKV. I always thought that was kind of cool. So we're going to wait for this to load in. Alright, so the DVD's loaded in. I'm going to apologize for the just horrendous noise that my PC makes. This DVD thing is just stupidly old and just buzzes really loud. But pretty much all you do is you click DVD, and it's going to go load in your DVD, and it's going to show you all the titles that kind of meet its criteria of like, hey, this might have a video that you want on it. And so I'll jump back in when this is done. This takes normally like 2 to 3 minutes. This will also tell you if your disc is unreadable, so if it already has a ton of scratches, it's not going to load in and you're going to have to clean it or something. Alright guys, so this process has been finished, and it is ready for us to rip it. Now, as you can see, this is actually a pretty good example. I didn't even plan this. But as you can see, you look through here, you see 12 chapters, 3.3 gigs, and you see one chapter, 130.6 megabytes. So these ones down here probably aren't the actual video. They're probably commercials or something, or extra features, whatever. Like, this just takes the entire DVD and breaks it down. One of these is probably full screen. One of these is probably widescreen. I said that right, yeah? So there's not really, like, if you look over here, 136, 47, 136, 40, like, there's no difference, right? So if you want full screen or widescreen, you're just going to have to guess, and if it's wrong, do it again. I know, not the greatest answer, but it's super simple. What we're going to do now, we choose our output folder. I already have mine in here. I already have a few going. And once you choose that, you just click Save Selected Titles. It's extremely simple. I don't know why I haven't ever done this before. But we're going to click this. It's going to go into, it looks kind of like the first one. This one does take a while, and will also tell you if your DVD's errored. Either one of these things can have an error in them. And if it does have an error, sometimes it can take like 30 to 45 minutes. So this process can take a while. But we're pretty much just going to sit here. That's not actually going to take an hour. It normally takes like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys once we're finished. Alright guys, so the long process is done. The copy was complete, and it completed successfully. As you can see, copy complete, one title saved. Perfect. So you click OK, and that is literally it. You are done. However, there's one caveat. When it saves it, a lot of times it doesn't put a title on it. So like you'll see here, it says title T is basically just saying we picked the first track. All right, that's not helpful. So go in here, type in the title, Freaky Friday. There you go. As you can see, I've already done this with the video, but we'll add in that. Bam, we're good to go. And now, just to show you that it does work, Freaky Friday 2003. There you go. That's all you're seeing, because I don't want to get demonetized or whatever. But yeah, there's the tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you guys, and stay tuned for the next video in this tutorial on how to get the DVD onto your Plex server so that you can view it from a smart TV or just use their user interface, which is a lot better than just having a massive list of these. Anyways, thank you guys.